there's mice in my head, pawing holes at the dregs of yesterday. But in the pools of her wrists, I find I can swim like a child again. But I can't see the flowers anymore. It seems our ground is rotted to its core. Willow trees speak to me in some forgotten majesty. They ask to be seen. Whisper of the place that I'm from, image of the ducks and the dogs. Remind me I'm free. When the time comes again, will I welcome her like a friend, or will I fight? Use my will on sister time, mother death don't like a lie. Will I be ready to fly? 'Cause I can't see the flowers anymore. It seems our ground is rotted to its core. What happened? Why do you burn? And where do you learn to disappear? Thank you.